Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. 1 inch lowering
Oh,
link.
that's my problem with that thing. Like in the woods, yeah, that was half the times I fall over, it's because I reach for the ground and the ground's not there.
Guys, I'm on a 2023 Kawasaki KLX300. So, I've been waiting forever to test one of these. I'm on the turn track right now, which is kind of unfortunate, not really the spot to test this, but I'm hoping to get this thing up on the trails here in just a little bit. So we'll see. It's sitting low. Thanks Chris Watkins for letting me ride it. He put a 1 inch lowering kit on it. I think he said he did an ignition box. It's got an F&F Q4. And yeah, it feels good. It feels like bigger than a 230, but not a motocross bike. Has very low gearing. This thing will be great on the trail. It's easy to lean over. The clutch is very smooth and easy to pull. One finger, no problem. I would like to ride one without the lowering. Oh. Hit neutral. I think it's a little low for me with the lowering link. Chris is a little shorter. This could be ultimate single track bike for most people that don't need a $11,000 or $12,000 race. I think you said this was $5,200. One more lap, man. It's got a nice wide seat. It doesn't feel like a dual sport or something, but it's wide enough where it's comfortable and it feels easier for me to grip the bike. So being able to grip the bike easier and the bike being lower just inspires confidence for sure. 2 thumbs up. This thing is awesome. Love it.
I didn't know they made 300.
Been out what, 2 or 3 years?
Came out 2020.
Yeah.
Suspension will make it great, won't it?
I think so.
It's so soft.
It's very soft and it's too low for me. I think the stock height would be perfect for me. But the seat is wider and it's more comfortable and it's easier to grip with your legs because you don't feel like you're pushing your legs in because the bike's wider, so you can, it's really nice. The clutch, real easy to pull. You can just work it with one finger, no problem. The brakes work really good. They're touchy. Like, suspension's pretty darn good for what it is. You have to shift a lot, but that's because it's, you know, it's geared so low, like for trails. For out here, you have to shift a lot, but I can tell that first gear is like insanely low.
That's what he said. He said it was like.
Oh, you did?
He said it was like a tractor gear.
It's barely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you went 1 tooth down on the front?
Right.
Okay. So I can tell, like, you
I think it had. It's got a 50 on the rear, and I'm pretty sure it had a 14 on the front, and I dropped it.
Okay.
I think I went to a 13.
That explains why first feels so low. Say, the way you have it, you could crawl at 2 or 3 miles an hour in the trails.
The
Yeah.
only reason I put that